Alright, so here I am trying to leave the ranch, and this morning at 8 o'clock, we had about 80-mile-an-hour winds, and I literally can't get out. They're still going pretty strong, probably about 50 miles or so. But, yeah. This should be interesting, trying to keep this door open long enough to get my car out after clearing all these tumbleweeds from it. So, here we go. Sounds like something's gonna blow off my truck, actually. Huh. Actually, one just smacked, like this big giant guy right here. One just like that smacked into my door seconds ago, and it sounded like I had a whole accident. It was crazy. There's a prison over there. You can't really see it, but yeah, sand everywhere. At Walmart. That white cloud you see is literally a sandstorm. It's just headed this way, and look, everything over there is just that. Pretty hard to keep driving at this point. Look at that big guy. Jeez. So when I'm telling you guys we got winds going on, yeah, this is kind of what's going on. This is the season for this right now. Like, this is what we're dealing with. And so it makes it real tough to be outside doing much of anything. So, yeah.